Here I have some ham. I have a little bit of Scotch bonnet pepper. I have red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and this is some organic eggs. I have a little bit of parsley for garnish. Parsley is very good for you, cleanses your blood. So I'm going to start the process. I'm adding the ham first, and followed by the red pepper and green pepper and hot Scotch bonnet pepper. Add everything in there. And one more ingredient I forgot to mention is shallots or onion. When you're making omelet, it's very important that you add onion because it hides the smell, because sometimes it kind of scent like sautéji. Add a little bit of lime juice and some onion and Scotch bonnet pepper. Oh my gosh, it just smells very tropical, very nice. So that's how we make omelet in the island. And then we're gonna let the ham cook a little bit longer. It's turkey ham that I'm using. I'm looking at the time. The eclipse is coming up soon. Make sure you separate in the middle, and then we're gonna pour the eggs in. And as it's cooking, we can start mixing the ham, everything together. And then I'm going to add some of my parsley and let it cook. I like my omelet nice and juicy, so in about 2 more minutes it'll be ready. Because that's one of the reasons I buy organic, good quality eggs. That way, it doesn't have to be like well done, tough. I like it to be nice and juicy and saucy, especially if I'm eating that with plantain. So you want it to be juicy, not raw, but just not well done. Well done. It smells so delicious. I'm not a big fan of scrambled eggs. Like this is like a cake. The cakes, the eggs, the omelet stays together. It's not scrambled. So at this point, it's ready. I'm gonna turn off the stove and then just let it do a little bit of carryover cooking. See, it's perfectly done. That's just a little bit of the organic extra virgin olive oil that I used. So when I say juicy, this is what I mean. It's a little bit wet, but not uncooked. Juicy. And that's another way of checking it too. If you put the pot on the side, it's not running over too much. So now this is perfectly juicy. But you are welcome to give it longer. Another thing I like in my omelet is tomatoes. But I don't have any tomatoes in my garden now. So I'm just going to use what I have. And I'm going to enjoy this. Give it a taste. Yum, yum. Oh, this is so good. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Amazing.